Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the LocalSend transfer failed error step by step. If your file transfer stops unexpectedly or you see a transfer failed message, there are several easy solutions you can try to get things working again. So let's get started. First, make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi or local network. LocalSend transfers files directly over your local network, so if one device switches to a different network or loses its connection, the transfer may fail. Checking the network connection is always the first step. Next, confirm that LocalSend is open on both devices and that the receiving device is unlocked and ready to accept incoming files. If the app is closed or running in the background with restricted permissions, the transfer may not complete successfully. If the problem continues, restart LocalSend on both devices and try sending the file again. You can also restart your computer, phone, or Wi-Fi router to clear temporary network issues that might be interrupting the connection. Another important step is to check your Windows firewall or antivirus software. Make sure LocalSend is allowed to communicate through your local network. If it's being blocked, nearby devices may connect, but file transfers can still fail. Also, update LocalSend to the latest version on every device you're using. Running the same up-to-date version improves compatibility and can resolve bugs that affect file transfers. Finally, try sending a smaller file to confirm the connection is working properly. If that succeeds, attempt the larger transfer again. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix the LocalSend transfer failed error and complete your file transfers successfully. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.